Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching Manix Best. In this video I've got this Meridian trimmer. This is specifically designed for your private parts and your body and your body hair. This is one of the ones that is intended for men because men grow a lot more hair than women on their bodies in general. I'm not really naming names or making any assumptions, so but yeah, this is meant for men, and as he says, Meridian is a premium grooming company dedicated to helping men groom below the belt and so Meridian is meant for that, and this product is specifically meant for pubic hair and yeah, under the belt and stuff, chest hair, back hair, leg hair and stuff. Okay, so you've got this box that it comes in, and kick, ninks and tugs of the curb, all of that cool analogy or terminology. Yeah, it's got the trimmer, it's got easy to snap on a blade, USB charge cable, two adjustable guards and a cleaning brush, and the color is onyx. You've got other colours also. I think pink and purple are the ones that are there, probably for more focused at women, but this one's obviously more black or onyx. So anti-nick shaving guard, super sensitive shaver tech for high precision, shock resistant and quiet, waterproof, and replacement blade modules are all available. They're also available separately on the meridiangrooming.com website, so if you wanted to sort of swap the blades, you could do that on the website and or order another. It's got about 800 milliamp hour battery, 6000 RPM motor, rechargeable, lasts about 90 minutes, and the warranty is about 1 year. 30 days money back guarantee as well. So if you've got any issues, reach out to them and that should be able to help. So without any further ado, let's open it up and see what we've got inside. Let's get rid of the plastic as usual. Alright. So here's the box with the plastic that's been removed, and inside of the box we've got the trimmer. Very nice presentation. It's about 50 quid on Amazon. That's the price of this item, but it looks really good. Like, wow, very good. It's got this matte finish, onyx color, and very different from the kind of trimmers I've used in the past. And this one's specifically the one that you use for your usual trimming requirements, your beard, for example. Standard design and standard type of the blade rather, and there's all these modules that come along with the unit. It's very different from what I expected it to be, and it's got this the bottom bit is basically plastic. It's plastic. It's very different from what I thought, so that's how they suggest that it's not going to cause any pain or anything. It's got this module. I'm not going to take anything out. It's just all of these. I think these are also plastic and very breakable, very much breakable. I don't plan to take these out anyway. And there's also the blade. Everything's coming inside this package. Some stupid packaging, I think. But yeah, it's really nice to hold on your hands. Very nice, and matte feel. You know, touching that so soft and stuff. Really feels very good in your hand. So that's one of the positives, I'd say. I never like handling a trimmer like this one. It's such a worst product, like in terms of its build quality. Might work better, I don't know. Type-C gives me some, makes me happy because I've got Type-C cables, lots of them, and I'd rather prefer to have one single Type-C cable to trim to have my trimmers along, etc. But you also got lots of other modules to take along if you wanted to, or maybe just wanted to if that's what you really want. But this trimmer, this is how it works. It turns on, and it's got the LED at the bottom, as standard. I'm not planning to have any other modules on top because there isn't much, but it's quite fast. 6,000 RPM, I can tell you that's true, and it seems to be working potentially about the same capacity as probably touted by the company. Probably on the camera you can see how the bottom bit's moving. It's plastic, but it shows how on the camera, interestingly, and the LED at the bottom. So you connect the cable to the USB, and it should charge in about 1 hour. Gives you a battery back of 90 minutes, which is awesome. Very good. Made in China, 800 milliamp hour battery capacity, 3.7 volts. Alright, so a bit of an expensive item, but here we are. Meridian trimmer. They market it as ball trimmer, or your under the belt trimmer, private parts trimmer and stuff. Here we are. If you've got any questions or queries regarding this item, do feel free to reach out to me and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to My Next Best. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, cheers, bye bye.